Let's do a run up here. We'll run it up to 1600. Check the condition. Good, controls clear and free, flaps up, trim's set good, got plenty of fuel. We're a fuel selector, want to turn it on the fullest tank. Yeah, we'll just do a normal takeoff, get out of the air a little bit, fly around, and go from there.
Sounds great.
So we're here at June 2025 Rudder Workshop, and Stephanie's been here at the workshop last day and a half, or yesterday and today, and finished your rudder the first day. And Stephanie's built several airplanes, so she decided to venture and see what the Zenith was all about. And yeah, glad to have you.
Thank you. Excited to be here.
All right. Well, it's a very windy day today, so we're going to venture out and see what's going on.
Mexico traffic, Bravo 650 is going to be departing runway 24 will be local flight from Mexico.
Okay, we got a little bit of wind from the southwest. Get past these runway lights, so we'll put a little bit of correction in. Ease back to stick. Okay, we'll go ahead and pull back power a little bit to anticipate turbulence. Yeah, pretty good crab there.
Just right off the ground.
Oh yeah. Yeah, excellent visibility for a low wing for sure. Oh yeah. Oh, we're gonna bring back power. Alright. So we're just gonna stay close because it is bumpy.
Sure.
Yeah, we're here at the Rudder Workshop, and how have you been enjoying the building the rudder?
Oh, it was a great experience.
Good. Yeah, you got excellent visibility here. We got the UL Power 350i 118 horse, and it performs very well. Anything over 100 horse works well.
What's the max horsepower that you've seen people typically put in the...
You know, whew, there's a good thermal. You know, 130, 140.
Okay.
But as you know, the bigger that you get, the heavier it is. Yeah, we're just gonna switch back around. We're gonna stay in the pattern.
Okay.
What do you think so far?
I love how much visibility that we have
Yeah.
for this. I used to fly a Fiber Tomahawk.
Okay.
I love the visibility in that, and I've always missed
Yeah.
that experience.
Yeah, right now we're 35 knots wind.
Okay.
A pretty good wind.
It is.
Yeah, Mexico traffic, stand low, turning left base for 24 Mexico.
And I like the center stick better than the dual stick because it's not your way, not my way.
Right.
Easier control. You know, if you have a crosswind, that center console, you might run low on that.
Especially if you're flying with an iPad
Right.
or a knee board.
And it handles very well. It smooths out right there for a minute.
That did.
And I got power way back, but it'll cruise about 130 miles an hour.
Okay.
Yeah, Mexico traffic, spare miles turning final for 24 Mexico.
And we'll just make it short. Sorry about that, but
No worries. Be safe.
yep, exactly. And we probably won't lower any flaps till we get closer.
Makes sense.
Yeah, 46 knots right now, right here. Oh, it can convert, yeah, crosswind. Yeah, they say at 3,000 feet, it's like 50 knots.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Mexico traffic, Springway, one final, 24 Mexico.
Alright, big gas, undercarriage, mixture prop, seatbelts, looks good. And let's slow it up. Wind is a little bit about 210, so we've got about 30 degrees between both runways. We might land a little long, just to get away from these trees of turbulence, maybe? I don't know. Maintaining straight, it's good. Oh yeah, that's what I was figuring, that's trees. We got past those trees.
Let's smooth out.
Yeah. Good.
Very good.
Well, you know we'll fly in windy weather.
That's true.
Good.
Good.
Good. And the Viking engine, according to Jan, which you're thinking about, it's got a little bit more horsepower, and I think they're getting around 140 or so miles an hour faster. This is only 118, so...
Yeah, the 140T was the one that we were considering. I think they had one that was kind of in between the I want to say 130 or something.
Okay.
But
Yeah, Mexico traffic, Springway, back taxi 18 Mexico to the ramp.
we went with the turbocharged on the S21 because
Okay.
we would still like to be able to fly
Okay.
going up into the Pacific Northwest.
Sure.
Even
Sure.
though it would be a pretty long flight, it's something we're
That's fun.
afraid of doing.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful area up in there. I've went up to Arlington Air Show and flying through the Cascades, and flying through those passes is like, oh.
Yeah, we flew over the mountains all the time. We do it co-pilot just for fun, or go together. And
Right. Well, good. I'm glad you guys made it to the workshop, and I hope it's something you can adventure into. And yeah.
really appreciate you taking me up today.
Yep.
Yeah, this UL powered one is pretty smooth too. Very easy to fly.
It is. Yep.
Welcome back.
Thank
It's about
you.
like the day we went up.
Oh,
really? 1,000 feet is like 40 some knots.
Yeah.
But it's very gusty
Well, it comes and goes.
because the day we were up, it was the gusty. It wasn't the wind, it was
Right,
the gustiness.
right. And it comes and goes.
Up and down, positive G, negative G.
Yeah.
So we just stayed in the pattern and yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, but 1,000 feet. Good looking group.